Yes, good morning, good everyone. Yes, welcome to Global Gift TV. Today I'm talking on an update on how to get free 5 Dutch every day when investments. Let's start. Subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button. This is the dashboard of the site here. You cancel it. And every day you'll be getting 5 Dutch every day. We're getting 5 Dutch every day. Let's talk about the complaint. Please, any advert that pop on the page, please just cancel it. This is how the complaint works. Yes, we work together for a Dutch dream and that to get better promote Dogecoin and provide a platform for communicating and construction for supporters. It's not a must. You cannot. It's not a must to deposit here because I never open the deposits. It's not a must to deposit. Cancel it. You go to your dashboard here. Click on dashboard. Click on dashboard here. Click on dashboard. You click on your account. You click here. Click there. You go to your tax. They have only one tax every day. You go to your tax. Then there you click on the tax. You go to review tax. We let the tax to load to 100% before you click it. Just wait. Yes, did it. 100%. You just say 8 plus 9, that is 17 plus 17, and click on confirm in. Yes. Have you seen now? My balance have increased to 25. Is how you be doing the update every day. You can also refer your friend. And make sure you complete the KYC. Complete your KYC.